Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our Blu-ray DVD player. The DVD player is controlled via our TV. The first thing we want to take a look at on TV is our input mode. To do so, we'd look for HDMI to make that connection from our TV to our Blu-ray DVD player. To make that connection, we select HDMI and it's connecting to it. Right now it came up. That's because our Blu-ray DVD player was already in the on mode with the green LED lit up. If we had that turned off, then it's going to turn off slowly, because literally the Sony Blu-ray DVD player is a computer. Just like your computer at home, it takes some time for these programs to shut down. So if that light doesn't extinguish right away, be patient. It'll turn off eventually once you've pressed the on-off power button. So now if we look over at our TV, we'll see that we have no signal detected for or to our Blu-ray DVD player because the power was turned off. Now if we come back over here and we literally hit the power button, green LED light comes on. We'll look back at our TV and you'll see it recognized that connection, and it's going to bring up our Blu-ray DVD player here in just a moment with the tray, no disc, showing on the screen. Now at this point we can go ahead and open up our tray on our Blu-ray. Just by depressing the arrow button, the tray pops out. Put a disc in, press the tray button again, and once that's inside, it's loaded, it'll start playing on our TV. If you have more than one TV in your unit, you can play the disc on both units just by selecting the setting or the input to HDMI on both TVs. You can watch TV on one and HDMI on the other, and vice versa, independent of each other, just by selecting and changing your input. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.